on the air for Flanders Fire and First Aid. Request to respond to 3 Fenimore Court for a report of 5 parties in the home, possible CO poisoning. Again, that's Mount Olive on the air for Flanders First Aid and Fire. Request to respond, 3 Fenimore Court for a report of 5 parties down in the home, possible carbon monoxide poisoning. Timeout. 1928.
Dispatch, 90's going to be responding. What was the address again?
It's going to be number 3 Fenimore Court, Flanders.
Received.
92 is in service. Can I have a cross street on that, please?
Dispatch.
Go to dispatch.
Do we have patrol on scene?
Not yet.
MIC 56, Mount Olive.
Alright, received. Just give me an update once patrol gets on scene. If we do have 5 parties down, go ahead and cone out public first aid for additional rigs.
Definitely.
MIC 56, Mount Olive.
On the air for all Mount Olive Fire and EMS. Requests for additional rigs to respond to 3 Fenimore Court in Flanders for a report of 5 people unconscious, possible carbon monoxide poisoning. Again, that's Mount Olive on the air for all Mount Olive Fire and EMS. Requests to respond for additional rigs to 3 Fenimore Court in Flanders for a report of 5 people unconscious, possible carbon monoxide poisoning. Timeout 1932.
Dispatch, car 52 is responding.
Car 52 responding.
MIC 56, Mount Olive.
MIC 56.
We are responding to 3 Fenimore. Can you confirm that there are 5 people in responses?
That is correct. Report of 5 people unresponsive at this time.
Receive. We have an 8-minute ETA.
Receive. 8-minute ETA.
Rig 75 being in service.
Receive 75 in service.
Rescue 20 responding, Flanders.
KLS 57, Mount Olive.
Receive 97 responding. Mount Olive to car 90, be advised patrols on scene, requesting additional rigs. We've already gone citywide.
Mount Dispatch, rig 76 is in service.
Per rig and NetCom. 91 responding.
Rig 88 to dispatch will be in service.
Rig 88, receive in service.
KLS 57 to Mount Olive dispatch.
95 in service, up you 4. 90 dispatch, 90, 92, car 52 will be on scene. 90 will be establishing command.
Mal to command at 3 Fenimore.
Go to command.
Patrol advises there's 2 additional victims in the back. Patrol is requesting additional manpower in the rear of the residence. 87 dispatch. Unit call and dispatch. That's Auburn Drive. Break 76.
Can I get a repeat on the address?
76, responding, is that?
Yeah, 76 to responding. I need the address repeated, please.
Dispatch.
Command at dispatch, order the victim still in the house in the rear of the structure. Final dispatch, rig 89 is in service.
Dispatch to command, be advised there are 5 victims all out of the house. I have 2 additional rigs coming from Chester and Netcong.
Dispatch 50 is responding.
50 responding.
76 to command. What address are we going to?
It is 3 Fenimore Court in Flanders.
Command dispatch.
Dispatch.
Command to dispatch.
Go for dispatch.
So we have 1 medic unit responding. Start me a second.
We have 2. We have 5-6 and 5-7 responding, and a supervisor unit.
Racing, thank you.
Command will be approaching the scene.
97, when you get on scene, go past the patrol vehicles, stage your vehicle to the left, and assist with patient care.
88 to command, we're approaching. Where would you like us?
88, I want you to pull up, park directly behind car 92's vehicle. We need suction in the rear of the structure.
Dispatch, engine 59 responding. LT1.
Alright, command. Approaching. What would you like? What unit's approaching?
Engine 95.
95, go past 97, stage to the left.
87 dispatch, or 87 command, we're approaching.
87, when you get on scene, stage behind 88. Have all your manpower to the front.
Receive. 87 command.
Approach, where would you like us? Receive, thank you.
Dispatch to command.
Go ahead.
I have Atlantic EMS on the phone asking if you need additional rigs.
At this time, I have 2 Flanders rigs. I have 1 Bull Lake rig. And what is the status of Chester?
They are also en route with Nekong.
Received.
Bull Lake 7-6 command, we're en route too.
89 to dispatch, 89's on scene. Command, where would you like us? 89, I want you and your crew to go to the rear of the structure. Where would you like us to park? I want you to go directly behind Rescue 97. 91's on scene.
2 Fenimore command.
Go to command.
Good evening, sir. Are we needed down there?
Command, dispatch.
Go for dispatch.
Alright, be advised, I'm requesting 3 helicopters per ALS on scene.
Receive 3 helicopters per ALS on scene.
To command, where would you like us? We're approaching.
Command to 7-6, when you get on scene, I want you to stage behind rig 89. Have your crew go to the back of the structure and assist with the patient back there.
7-6 received, behind 89, go to the back of the structure.
No, medic 5-4 responding to Jacobi.
Receive 5-4 responding. Six men all, we're on scene. That works.
I'm not command, we're approaching. Where would you like us? Stage at the end of the road and have your crew come up and assist with manpower. Receive. You need any meters or anything? Command, dispatch.
Go to dispatch.
Be advised, 1 CAD is going to be from Atlantic Air 1 if they're available, and then we'll fly the other 2 helicopters out of... The other 2 helicopters will be out of the trade zone.
Other 2 out of trade zone, receive. Rescue 35 to dispatch, 35 responding.
Command to 5-9. Go to 5-9. Alright, be advised we'll be flying 3 helicopters. We're going to have a landing pad at the trade zone. If you want to start making your way over there and secure that area. Alright, receive. We're in the trade zone about. It's going to be the pad at the trade zone. Receive. Dispatch, 5-9 respond to the trade zone.
That one.
Report 90. Be advised, all patients removed on the 2 sides. Dispatch, be advised all parties out of the structure at this time.
Dispatch, utility 54 is in service. 52, do you need us down to trade zone? FM 1 and 90.
Go ahead.
Channel 2, please.
I'm on 2 as well. Engine 59 to command. LT1 to command. Go to command. We'd like to see if they want to land a helicopter right across the street in Blue Alice. Command, you copy? The last. We're going to be going to the trade zone and Atlantic Stat for ALS.
Dispatch from car 50.
50.
All right, I'll be clear from here. I'm going to the trade zone for the helicopter.
7. Dispatch 2, command.
Go to command.
You got rigs inbound, one from Chester, one from Roxbury, one from Netcom.
I received. Be advised, I got one rig with a child en route to Morristown. It's going to be rig 89. They're going to be meeting line of sight with medics.
Received. 89 is inbound Morristown.
50 to command. Your medic and medic supervisor are going to be arriving momentarily.
Received. Command, be advised you have a set up Netcom EMS coming up the Sovereign Drive. Dispatch, engine 53 is in service, cap 1.
7.
All next 5 Stand by. Dispatch, 88 en route to Morristown.
Received. 88. to dispatch. 89's en route to Morristown, BLS.
En route to Morristown, BLS, rig 89, was that?
Command and dispatch.
Dispatch.
Be advised, rig 76 has one patient. They're going to be transporting them to Atlantic Air 1's pad.
AC 76 is en route with one patient to Atlantic Air Pad 1, correct?
That's going to be affirmative.
Safe.
88 to 80. Yeah, 83 is requesting another body in the back of 88. Break 75, command. Go ahead, 75. Medic wants me to drive to Morristown. Is that okay with you? Can you repeat? We're going to be driving to Morristown. Any other patients you're flying, or what's your pleasure? Stand by, wait for medic supervisor to get here. They requested for 3 helicopters. I know one is definitely going to Atlantic Air 1's pad. Receive.
Dispatch to command.
Go ahead, dispatch.
I have the county on the phone asking if you want a aux channel to use.
At this time, that's a negative.
Receive.
Rescue 35 to command.
Go to command 35.
Sandhope, Necon EMS, and Roxbury EMS pulling on scene now. What's your pleasure with their crews?
I want them to stage just behind rig 89 on the left-hand side, and I'll have a patient shortly.
35 received. 89 command, we're en route to Morristown.
Rig 76 is en route to the trade zone.
Receive 76 en route to trade zone.
Dispatch, engine 53 and engine 59 are out to trade zone, helipad.
Receive.
Rescue 35 to command. Go to command.
Receive, have them stage. Go to 5 tag.
91 in command. Everybody else clear the air. No more instructions. I need command.
Go ahead.
91 to command.
Go ahead, 91.
Need to confirm where 76 went. They go to the TC landing pad, or they go to Love Lane landing pad?
76 is en route to Atlantic Air 1's pad on Love Lane. The other 2 patients are going to International Trade Center, where the pad is staged and ready to go.
All right, just be right. 75 is going to the ITC landing pad right now, and I believe 87 is going to ground transport the patient we had the 3rd helicopter for.
Dispatch to command. Dispatch to command.
Go to command, dispatch.
I'm on the phone with Arabec. They have one landed at ITC. They're saying they have a second Air 3 inbound. Do you want it at ITC or do you want it at Love Lane?
Command, dispatch, be advised, we're only going to need 2 helicopters now. 1 at Love Lane and 1 at ITC.
10-4. You got Air 1 going to ITC then, and you're going to have Air 3 going to Love Lane.
Received, thank you. Just be advised, it's going to be rig 76 at rig 75.
7576.
Where do you want 76 to go? Love Lane or ITC?
76, go to Love Lane.
Car 50, emergency traffic. Car 50 to command.
Go ahead, 50.
Okay, we're at the trade zone. I have 1 helicopter on the ground at the trade zone helipad waiting for a patient.
Received. Both rigs are en route. One's going to be going to Atlantic Air 1's pad, the other one's coming to you.
I had received. Dispatch from car 50, I'll be on the scene. I'll have trade zone command.
Rig 75 to 50, I'm your rig.
Dispatch inbound Morristown. Bus aboard.
Dispatch from trade zone command.
Go to dispatch.
I only have 1 helicopter on the ground in the trade zone. The Atlantic pad does not have a helicopter. North Star is in the air, and I'm not sure where they're landing.
Command, North Star has been advised to land at Love Lane.
All right, received. Let us know if they're going, because I have a helicopter on the ground in the trade zone.
That's affirmative. You'll have 1 at ITC. The other one was redirected to Love Lane. If you need us to change that, we will, but they're inbound to Love Lane right now.
Okay, received.
Rig 75 to ITC, command.
Guys, 75.
Rig 76 is at Love Lane waiting on the helicopter.
75 to ITC, command. Your rig, where do you want me to pull as possible, or what's your pleasure?
At 75, you're unreadable.
I'm going to be your rig for the ITC helicopter. What's your pleasure? You want me to pull up as close to the helicopter as possible?
That's fair. Just pull in and pull in front of my vehicle. Your Aero Medical is waiting.
Received. Command, dispatch.
Dispatch.
Alright, just be advised, initial readings of CL were well over 1,000 parts per million at this time. We're currently at 380 parts per million. Patrol is going to be allowing a crew to go in momentarily to do a sweep of the structure and to start ventilization.
Received. Dispatch received.
Alright, 75, Command dispatch.
Go to dispatch.
Alright, just be advised, the Roxbury is going to be taking one patient, the father. Stanhope's going to be taking two patients. And I'm going to keep Chester first aid on scene for patrol and fire units.
10-4, do you know where those units are, what hospital they're going to?
Stand by, dispatch.
10-4.
Roxbury's going to be taking the father to Morristown.
Steve Morristown.
Command dispatch, be advised, Stanhope's going to be taking two patients to Dover.
Two patients to Dover, receive.
Trade Zone LZ Command to Atlantic Pad. Data, I'm checking in on Rig 76 on the Atlantic helicopter pad.
Yeah, 76 is here, the helicopter's here, calling 511. Everybody's accounted for.
Received.
Command dispatch. Alright, be advised, I have one crew going through the structure at this time. Current readings are over 700 parts per million CO.
Steve, you got one crew going in.
Command dispatch.
Go for dispatch.
Alright, be advised, Chester's going to be taking 3 officers to Denville. And just an update into the basement. Current ratings are over 1,074 parts per million CO.
Steve, 3 officers are being transported to Denville.
Got it.
We have some residents trying to evacuate the area. Clear to send them through?
Yeah, it's affirmative, they come out.
You're unreadable.
LZ Command to Fenimore Command.
Go to Fenimore. Go to Fenimore Command.
All right, Chief, your helicopter's in the air. I just want to clarify we're not getting any more, correct?
That is correct, just 2 flies. Thank you for your assistance, sir.
All right, received. Do you need any of my manpower at the scene?
Yeah, if you want to have one of your engines come back down here to help with ventilating the structure, we still have readings well over 1,200 parts per million.
All right, received. My engine 5-9. I'll be heading to your location.
Received.
Rescue 35 to command. Roxbury 209 is approaching. Where do you want them?
At this time, have them come up and stage right by 97.
375 Fenimore Command.
Go ahead, 75.
We're going to be responding back to you.
Dispatch from Trade Zone, LZ Command.
Go to dispatch.
All right, helicopters in the air. All units from the Trade Zone will be clear. Command terminated over here.
Receive. IGC command terminated.
Dispatch, advise, Rick 75, they're responding back to scene. 59 to engine 53. Engine 59 from engine 53. Or vice versa. One cap 1. LT1 to car 50.
Go to 50.
Can you please try and reach engine 53? They left the 2 juniors.
105 dispatch.
Five 3 to 59. Go ahead.
Yeah, he's on the truck.
We split 2 bag people for 2 juniors. You forgot 2 juniors there. If you can please go back and pick them up.
Hi.
Command dispatch. Command is dispatch.
Go to dispatch.
All right, be advised, your 3 officers are going to be going with Chester to Dover instead of Denville. It's going to be Dover.
Received. Over.
Car 51 will be en route to Fenimore Court.
Dower.
360 to car 90.
Go ahead, 360.
Can you give me a 21, please?
Rank 75 to command. We're arriving. Where would you like us?
Be advised, Rescue 20 will direct you in.
Command from Route 76.
Go ahead, 76.
Our tracers is loaded and taking off in the helicopter.
All right, Receive. Can you confirm what patient that was?
I don't have a name, but it was one of the patients in the back.
Receive. Engine 59 to command. Return to Sovereign. Would you need a fan? Yeah, be advised, car 52 is going to direct you in. Receive. Put engine 59 back on Fenimore Court.
Dispatch. Rank 75 is back at Fenimore. Dower.
Command 76.
276.
76, go ahead and respond back to your headquarters. You're going to be primary for anything that transpires throughout the town.
Car 51's on scene, Fenimore Court.
Dower.
Command dispatch.
Go to dispatch. Go to dispatch.
Alright, just be advised, one of the flies was diverted to Jacobi Hospital in the Bronx.
Dower.
Matt off from Rig 76.
76.
We'll be clear, Love Lane, and available for calls.
Dower.
27-6.
Engine 53 is back in quarters.
20 to 76.
Go ahead, 20.
Keep your crew at the building until released.
Receive.
Command and dispatch.
For dispatch.
I've been advised both flies went to Jacobi.
Receive.
89 is dispatch. 89 is clear. Morristown and route back to court. Command dispatch. Command dispatch, be advised I released Roxbury's rig and I have a leg rig 75 on scene, my location.
Receive. Release Roxbury and Bud Lake 75 on scene.
Now dispatch, rig 88 clear Morristown.
Rig 88 clear Morristown.